Welcome back to Memo Science TV HD. You are watching the program which is known as Discrete Mathematics and their Combinatorics. As many people are decided to discover about in the first or in the second year of computer science student, in addition for accounting, for marketing and for business, and another for following the mathematical can be followed as the major for algorithms and their algebras. Everyone has to prepare with many things. Furthermore, every student who can prepare their own educational for mathematical induction with the permutations and counting recurrence theorem with the recurrence relations can be categorized as the following many things. Here what I mean. A set is an unordered collection of objects called elements or members of the set. A set is said to contain its elements. We write A elements to A to denote that A is an element of the set A. But the notation of A does not element A denotes that A is not an element of the set A. If it doesn't not correct here, you need to check about here on the mathematics induction and axiomatic approaches. With the A, the set A. And the A is the element of set A, and the A is not element of set A. So we can use about the following in the combinatorics of educational performances and the permutations and their combinations. We need to follow about how can we simplify by using in the discrete mathematics and their combinatorics. In order to simplify their following majority writers with the main philosophy as we determined, like that. And this is the most sufficient for many people who can discreting about the mathematical, algebraic and their algorithms. Note that the concept of a data type or type in computer science is built upon the concept of a set. In particular, a data type or type is the name of a set, together with a set of operations that can be performed on objects from that set. For example, Boolean is the name of the set, like true or false, as you have learned in the computer programming, together with operators on one or more elements of this set, such as and, or, and not. And this is we can identify and sanctifying with the logic gates as we have learned in physics grade 10. Do you follow about in the combinatorics with the many things which is going to be connected with the simplification and their mathematical equations and their algebras? Like many computer scientists are detecting their discovery of the concepts and they are identifying what the main purpose is. As much as possible, we investigated about the data algorithms with the computer science programming and their stimulation about the discovery with the simulation and modeling, and many discoveries about the most efficiency and compulsory combinations method as we prepared. In everyone else, you are prepared in one of the such type of a Boolean and their algorithms. For example, as I can remember from the mathematical approaches and their formula fallacies and their algorithms, but the fallacies is not good with us if there is prepared for the error and defecting a system of errors with the computer science programmer algorithm, such like C, C++, JavaScript, XML, HTML, Python, and every programming languages can be associated in combinatorics. Recall the notation for intervals of real numbers. When A and B are real numbers with A less than B, we write the closed interval A, B, X, A less than or equal to X less than or equal to B, and A with the B open interval X, A less than or equal to X less than B. A open interval B with the closed interval. Note that A and B is called the closed interval from A to B, and on the bracket is given called the open interval from A to B, as we have stated in the following, because many mathematical statements assert that two differently specified collections of objects are really the same set. We need to understand what it means for two sets to be equal. For the first time, we need to discover in the combinatorics and in addition to their algorithms. Now what about it? Follow on it. So many people are decided to discover what does that mean. In sets, it's good for us. This way of describing a set is known as the roster method or describing or listing method. We learn about this today. If you have got serious troubles, then give me a comment and give a video like and share with your friend. We are going to do here, if you have got serious troubles, please join more educations and sciences on Memo Science TV on memoscience.com.